Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use AppSumo or you are planning to try it, this video is very important for you. Today I will show you how to spot a great AppSumo deal, some things truly worth buying, and also what to stay away from. Not every deal is amazing. Some are just okay and a few can actually waste your money. Also, don't forget to check the description below. I have added my own favorite deals, some update links and other helpful information, so you don't miss that out. Alright, let's get started. So first, when you look at a deal on AppSumo, in the first thing to notice is the problem it solves. Ask yourself, do I really need this tool? A great tool solves a real problem, like saving time, saving money, or maybe helping you to get clients, or making a content easier. Let's say you are a freelancer. Now, if the tool helps you to send email better or manage your project faster, that's already a good sign. But if the tool is something you don't understand or it sounds too confusing, maybe you don't need to buy it, even it looks cool. Now, one of the best way to know if a deal is good or not is checking the reviews. AppSumo has a real user review under every product, so you can read them. If most people are happy and you see the tool is useful, it is probably worth it. But if you see a lot of complaint like bugs, missing feature or poor support, then you just need to avoid it. Next, check the tool is still active outside of AppSumo. I mean, go to their official website and check, is the team updating the tool or are they active on social media or YouTube? This shows the product is still growing and your lifetime deal wouldn't just die after a few months. Also, look at the roadmap. Most good software tools will show their future plans, like new feature coming soon or this kind. So a solid roadmap means the team cares about the product and wants to make it better. Now let's talk about what to avoid. Be careful with tools that try to do many things at a time, like some say all in one. You should avoid deals that have limited uses or weird limits. Some deals say lifetime access, but then they limit how much you can use the tool. For example, only 100 credits per month or one user only. So read the fine print before buying. Also, if the tool has no updates in the last year or no presence online, that's a red flag. It might be dead product. So I can give you one more tip, that is, don't buy a deal just because it's cheap. It feels good to grab in like $7 or $10, but if you never use it, it's still a waste of money, right? So that's it. A great AppSumo deal solves a real problem and has a strong review, active updates, or a clear roadmap. And it is easy to understand. You can see them. And you should avoid the deals with low quality, limited uses, or confusing promises. I have added some of my personal favorite deals in the description below, so check that out if you are shopping on AppSumo. And thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe if you want more easy tip tricks like this.